Days Payable Outstanding is a financial ratio used in accounting and finance departments that measures how many days, usually on average, it takes a company to provide payment to its suppliers. The higher a company's DPO, the longer it takes to pay its bills. Days Payable Outstanding is calculated using the formula shown here. To calculate DPO, you would multiply accounts payable by the number of days in your period and then divide your answer by the cost of goods sold. Let's look at an example. Let's say K&K Manufacturing has an average accounts payable of $200,000 over a 365-day period, and their cost of sales is $750,000. To calculate the DPO, we would first multiply $200,000 by the number of days in our period, which is 365. We would then divide our answer by our cost of sales, which was $750,000, and that would give us a DPO of 97.33 days. It should be noted that Days Payable Outstanding is the opposite of Days Sales Outstanding and is also a component of the cash-to-cash cycle time. Why is this important? It tells us that companies can optimize or reduce their cash-to-cash cycle time by increasing DPO or by reducing DSO or DIO. So, what does it mean when a company's DPO is high or low? A high DPO means the company is taking a longer time to pay its suppliers. Of course, if a company takes longer to pay its suppliers, they are better able to invest cash for a longer period of time. However, this may not be beneficial for a buyer-supplier relationship. For example, a company with a high DPO may be missing out on early payment discounts offered by their suppliers. It's important to remember that DPO can vary quite a bit between industries and practices. As such, there is no standard number that represents a good or bad DPO. Sometimes, when a company's DPO is low, it could be an indication that the company is not getting the best credit terms from suppliers or is not taking full advantage of the credit terms that may be available to them. With that being said, this could be an opportunity to extend DPO and improve the company's cash-to-cash cycle time. A low DPO, on the other hand, is not necessarily bad, as it may indicate that the company is paying suppliers early and taking advantage of early payment discounts. And that's it. Days Payable Outstanding. Well, thanks for watching this video on Days Payable Outstanding, and we look forward to having you back here for more great content right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.